Estates over here, or Bay Hill Estates. Yeah, Bay Hill Estates. I like this road because it's not very busy. Just a couple cars every now and then. So now I'm going north on 120th. So pretty out here. Some nice houses. Nice ride. Nice ride. There you go. I had it facing me. Didn't realize it. Silly thing. Very pretty. Uh-oh, here come some doggies. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, 3 of them. Hi, doggies. Hi. Oh, it's okay, puppies. It's okay. Woof, woof. I know. Oh, there's the sandhill cranes over there. Oh, I like watching them. They're trying to fly. Very pretty. Okay.